Hello everyone, my name is Backtesting and I'm gonna be showing you an operation on Nasdaq TQQQ. So first I'm gonna put my fantastic fall there. And then I'm gonna press play and see what happens. Okay, so there is a candle here, a bar here, and so I could put this here because it's a floor, and also because there's the line of 200 and the fantastic fall. So if this goes up here, I can buy it 2 times because of the confirmation. And so now I'll put that there. This one, the stop loss goes down here because my bar, the bottom of the bar is here. Then I bought here. Then I put these, clone that, one more time. And now there's a fair value gap. Here and here. That's a fair value gap. Then, so I put where I bought, I put the fantastic fall confirmation from these. Then I got an entry, a stop loss. I can't add because it's near the end of the push 1. And now I'm waiting for push 2 so I can do break even. I'm changing this so you can see where I'm gonna put the break even and everything else. This is where the break even's gonna be if we get to push 2, which I'm gonna make quicker. There. Now we need to wait for push 2, so then we can go to push 3, and then we can do trailing a stop and everything else. So now it's on push 2, and now we wait for the 75% of the push 2 so we can do break even. Yeah. Then I'm gonna fix this. Too big. Oh, there we go, push 2. Sell there, because it did push 3, so there. Push 3, then I put the break even here, clone that one, put it there, and this one down there. What did I miss? I did push break even, I did push 3, I took a little bit, now I'm doing trailing a stop. Maybe there's there's a faint, and then we'll close the trade. So now I'm gonna put it quicker again. Get another one of these. Oh yeah, we need to put one here, please. Yep, one there. Let's put it on 5 times now. Okay, wait. Okay, that's a faint. Yeah, faint. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's sell, because that was this. So one bar here and another bar here. That means we have to exit. Because it was a now I close because that one there. So if this wasn't here and this was green up here, I would have still been in because that would have been a feint. But since there's 2 of them there, then I have to go out because it got my stop loss. So now that is I've done the operation, and now I need to label it really quickly. Ya le puse todas las cosas, entonces aquí salí y esto y esto y esto. Entonces recuérdate de aquí rebotó, y de si no podías comprar en la confirmación, podías comprar en el fair value gap. Oh, and remember that I labeled it, and remember that here it bounced, and so I could buy in the confirmation, and then so this it bounced off here, then it made a confirmation, and if you couldn't buy on the confirmation, you could buy on the fair value gap. So that's everything for today, and bye everyone, adios.